Welcome to this video, where we'll explore how to configure your BIZUIT dashboard and tailor it to your team's needs. In this video, we'll learn how to customize the BIZUIT dashboard to better align it with your organization's needs. To begin, go to your profile and select Settings. The dashboard lets you change colors, themes, and the layout of modules, allowing you to reflect your company's identity. As you can see, there are many settings available to tailor the experience to your preferences. In the User section, you'll find even more customization options. For example, you can switch to dark mode and choose how the menu is displayed. You can also export all, or specific parts, of your dashboard configuration to generate a package file, which can then be imported into another environment. With these tools, BIZUIT adapts to the unique needs of every team, delivering both efficiency and personalization.